Just making a quick video, man. So basically what I noticed, and this is right before I was checking oil pressure, if you can see down there, that spring, there's supposed to be an assembly, a drain back, anti-drain back valve that sits on there that keeps the oil from draining back. Okay, so when you put the filter in there, it keeps the oil inside the filter, but when you pull the filter out, it's supposed to let oil drain back so you don't make a mess when you're changing filters. So I need to find that and replace it. Hopefully that'll allow the filter housing to fill up and build some oil pressure.